Welcome back with another video, guys. I haven't touched the Civic in a while. We finally did an oil change. I just finished doing an oil change for my girlfriend right now, and I'm just disgusted by the halogens. And I remember that I bought, I think it's like a 30 pack on Amazon of LED bulbs for my BRZ. It's right there. And it would be a good idea, I guess, to just replace these old things with these. Might as well, right? Don't recommend it. It's always good to just use a correct item, but just like that. And look, it's not even like all crazy. It's just like, you know, boom. And you're just gonna pop it out like that. And you're gonna pop this one out, just kind of grab it from the sides. There we go. And it's just like the same thing as mine, where it's just a little button that presses in, presses out. Oh, that is kind of hot. It actually burned me. This one's a little bit cooler. I should have turned that one off. All right, it's been a few minutes and they're a little bit warm, but not all crazy. So all you're gonna do is just grab it and pull it down, just like that. Same thing for the other one, grab, pull. And let me just show you guys the new ones though. These are the new ones right here. I don't know why it reminds me of like bees for some reason. This is the one that Axel gave me. I was gonna use it originally, but I ended up buying this pack. So I kind of just have an extra one that's a different, you know, version, but it's still the same number. And yeah, they look all crazy, right? Like LEDs everywhere. So let's just install them. And remember, what is the polarity? You sometimes just have to switch it out. So all you're gonna do is just, you know, what is this, vertically? And excuse my hot Cheeto fingers. And you put it in there, just like that. And oh, you see that? The polarity. All right, so now what you're gonna do is just pull it out, turn it, and then there we go. See, that's simple, guys. Don't be paying markup price. For my car, I think they're gonna charge you like an extra 80 bucks just to install the LEDs when I did it for way cheaper. My girlfriend's gonna be so surprised. She's gonna be like, oh my god. Oh, you see, polarity. She's like, thanks, babe. Oh, turn that off first. She's gonna be like, thanks, babe. I couldn't have done it myself. I'm kidding. Put it back like that. And like that. Boom. Same dilemma on this side. Kind of just, there we go. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my god. This one feels a little bit loose for some reason. There we go, guys. I don't know why this one's kind of shakier. I feel like it was like that because this one's not that shaky, you know. But I think it's just like that. I mean, this car is kind of old now. Well, guys, as always, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching the video. Hopefully it helped some of you. And until next time, good vibes.